In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3, and let me show you how to change keyboard language here. So at first, open some area where you can input some text, for example messages. And once you see your keyboard, tap on settings icon, go to languages then, and tap on add keyboard. Now you can pick some language here. As you can see, the list is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Okay, so that's it. Here we've got the end of the list. And now just pick the language you would like to apply. Let me pick Hebrew, tap on done, and now you can either remove unnecessary languages, or you can leave them, and then you will be able to switch between languages smoothly by using space. But as you can see now, keyboard language changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.